What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about my favorite organic body oils. So if you're interested, keep on watching. But before you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and give your girl a thumbs up. Alright, let's get into this video. So last night I went to Sprouts with my honey baby and I needed to get a refill of my favorite face oil, jojoba oil, non-GMO. This stuff is the shit. So when I had really bad acne, I was using a lot of benzoyl peroxide, which I'll put in my video above. And one of the crucial steps to help moisturize your skin after using the benzoyl peroxide is the jojoba oil. So I put about 2 to 3 drops in my moisturizer, and this stuff saved my skin, and I still use it even though I don't use the benzoyl peroxide because it makes your skin super soft, helps the texture. Love this stuff. So this was $11.99. Now this one is a new product to me. This is the Honest Organic Body Oil from The Honest Company. It's from Jessica Alba, actually, she makes it. So this one has no fragrance, no silicone, no mineral oil, no dyes, no parabens, no PEGs, all that kind of stuff. And it's $11.99. The fragrance that it like naturally has, I guess, is actually, it's pretty nice. It's, you know, very, very faint, but still really good. This is a lightweight body oil. And yeah, I was walking out of Sprouts, or I was walking in Sprouts because I've been looking for this shit for a long time. And I just so happened to go down like the bean aisle because I wanted some beans, and boom, what is right direct in front of my face at eye level? This. So boom, it was fate. I had to get it. So yeah, both of these were under 15. I think they were like $11.99 each. But yeah, this one lasted me over a year the last time I had it, and this one's a new product for the Steve Meister. I already put it on my chest and everything, so your bitch is glowing, because you know what? You feel good when your skin is looking good and feeling good. Boom! So yeah, get these. You can go check these out at your Sprouts or like Whole Foods or anything like that, or even online. But I wanted them the same day, so I popped my head to the Sprouts and bought these ones. So yeah, thank you so much for coming to my video. This one was a short one today, but I just wanted to get this out there because this is so crucial. And right now, such as skincare and self-care time in quarantine, get yourself some body oils. Amazing. Thank you so much for coming back to my video, and I'll see you in the next one.